Honorable members will have seen the evidence of our determination to defend the country and of our territory in the budget provision on defense account full stop. To my mind, it is a pity that the country, as poor as India, should have to direct any of its resources from development full stop. Fortunately, within the defense budget is included developmental expenditure on industrial units, on hospitals, and roads and houses and many other items which are not in the same class as military hardware full stop. Next para. We are anxious to see that the prices of essential commodities remain stable and that the upward rise is halted full stop. Since the main instrument for controlling prices is higher production prices should also provide an adequate incentive to the producer to increase his production full stop. Hence, the necessity to fix in advance a reasonable price for the main agricultural products full stop. Next para, it has been suggested here in this house and elsewhere that the zonal restrictions should be eliminated full stop. There can be no doubt that on a national problem there should be a national point of view full stop. However, I would like to place before honorable members the practical difficulties that may likely to arise in eliminating zonal system full stop.